The synchronicity of a flock of birds in flight is mesmerizing for a project manager, right? No? The perfect V formation, as if one giant body made of many smaller ones, is a natural phenomenon. Quite impressive feat considering that humans can hardly coordinate a handful of individuals sometimes, all while possessing rational thought and the gift or curse of language. Is it possible to achieve this level of alignment among humans, or speech and our egos are going to be constant impediments for us? Is there a leader in a flock of birds, and if yes, how does he or she communicate in which direction and where to fly next? Nature has it both ways. Some birds have social hierarchy, but most are self-organized teams, planning their resources and personal efforts over a several thousand kilometers journey. So how do self-organized teams work among birds? The bird leading the flock changes throughout the flight. Every bird leads and follows at the same time, anticipating sudden changes in the speed or direction of the flock, a bit like synchronized dancers. Birds twist, dive, and switch directions in split seconds. This is what we would like to achieve: self-organized agile teams where the leader is there intermittently, when their decision and drive are needed, then steps back to allow another leader to motivate and guide. A project manager or scrum master might then not be needed at all. In emotionally mature teams, even though they might be junior in technical skills, a scrum master might be needed for a while to coordinate and coach, and can then step back. In very complex projects, a project manager is always needed. He is then like an orchestra conductor, keeping track of which leader is to lead the flock at which time, a bit like musical instruments taking turns to be leads in a symphony. With the advent of artificial intelligence, it will be possible to keep track of thousands of dependencies and teams, a lot more than the current scaled Scrum. Artificial intelligence might be like a giant airplane, taking into account directions of the wind or trends of the market based on intricate data analysis. AI will keep track of dependencies between conglomerates of teams, will update all boards in real time, will provide half-made platforms for architects, and so on.